All right, I just want to go over a problem where you have a unique parent function that we're not used to seeing. So here's our function f of x right here. I've already graphed it for you. I'm actually going to indicate the coordinates too. So this is -4, +4. This is the coordinate -2, +1. Right here is the coordinate 1, 1, and then right here is 4, -1. So once again, this is f of x. If I asked you to graph f of 2x plus, actually, let me change that. I'm going to change it to f of x divided by 2 plus 1. What would we do? So I'm going to first focus on this plus 1 on the outside. I'm going to focus on things on the outside. Remember, in our previous parent functions, whenever we'd graph a quadratic or a cubic or whatever, this plus 1, anything on the outside, would affect your y values. And since we're adding something, that means it's a shift. So we're going to do a vertical shift up 1. So we know for sure we at least need to move all of our coordinates up 1 from the parent function, in this case f of x. Now, this x divided by 2, if we recall, anything inside always affects your x values. And you always do the opposite. So we're dividing by 2, so we need to multiply our x's by 2. So I have all these x values right here. I have all those coordinates. So I'm going to write them right here. So we have -4, +4. If we multiply by 2 on just the x's, this will become -8, +4. Then we also have -2 and +1. If we multiply the x by 2, you'll have -4, +1. And then we have 1, 1. So if you multiply the x by 2, you'll have 2, 1. And then we have 4, -1. And if we multiply the x by 2, you'll have 8, -1. Once again, these are not my coordinates if you watched my other video. These are not the coordinates I'm plotting because I need to move all of them up 1 because of my vertical shift. So I could just go to this indicator I marked, and the -8, +4 would tell me to go left 8. Of course, I don't have that many units on mine, so sorry, it's going to be off my graph. And then I'm going to go up 4. It's just right there off my graph. And then -4, 1 tells me to go left 4 from that same value. So 1, 2, 3, 4, up 1. And then 2, 1 tells me to go right 2 from that same value, up 1. And then 8, -1, it's going to be off my graph by just 1 unit. It means go right 8, down 1. Now, you just need to have the same basic shape. The big difference you're going to see is that this shape is, oh, I missed it, that's okay. This shape is just going to be stretched out horizontally. That's what ended up happening. So dividing by 2 ends up stretching our graph horizontally. And that is how you do unique parent functions.